Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topic related to the first year. Previously, we have the equation and assignment was to find out the roots of the equation. Now, we have given the roots. What should be the equation? Means the reciprocal system. So, topic is to form a quadratic equation, to form a quadratic equation when its roots are given. Roots are given. So let alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. Let alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. It implies that the x is equal to alpha comma x is equal to beta, or x minus alpha is equal to 0, x minus beta is equal to 0. Also we can say that x minus alpha, x minus beta is equal to 0. So, x is equal to alpha means x minus alpha is equal to 0. X is equal to beta means x minus beta is equal to 0. If each factor particular is equal to 0, then with respect to the multiplication, both should be equal to 0. So, this will be x into x, x square, alpha into x minus alpha x, x into minus beta x, minus into minus plus alpha into beta, alpha beta is equal to 0. So this will be x square minus x is common, negative sign is common, x common, remaining will be alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So this is the required equation, means alpha and beta are the roots. At this stage, there is a summation or addition of alpha and beta. Here, it's the production of the alpha and beta. So, according to the indication or according to the condition, when the roots are given, then the equation will be in the form of x square minus sum of the roots. Sum of the roots, bracket x plus alpha into beta means product of roots is equal to 0. So this is the equation, x square minus sum of the roots x plus product of roots is equal to 0. So now there is an example. Example is, suppose example number 1, form the equation whose roots are 4 and 2/5. Solution. So there is a requirement of the equation with the help of the given roots 4 and 2 upon 5. Here alpha is equal to 4 comma beta is equal to 2 upon 5. As we know that the equation whose roots are given is x square minus sum of the roots x plus product of roots is equal to 0. So here x square minus 4 plus 2 upon 5 x plus 4 into 2 upon 5 is equal to 0. Here 5 is the LCM. So this will be 5x square minus 5 for the 20 plus 2 x plus 2 for the 8 is equal to 0. So this will be 5x square minus 22x plus 8 is equal to 0. 5 shifted to the next side will be converted into the multiplication with respect to 0. The result is also 0. So this is the required equation. Example 2 is form the equation given that the sum of its roots is 4 and product is 1. Solution. As we know that the quadratic equation when its roots are given is what? X square minus sum of the roots x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. So it implies that this will be x square minus sum of the roots. It's also indicated that the sum of the roots is 4 x plus product of the roots, and product is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So stage of simplification x square minus 4 into x 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the related answer. Okay. Example 3 is if alpha comma beta are the roots, if alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation roots of the equation 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Find the equation whose roots are whose roots are, find the equation whose roots are alpha upon beta and beta upon alpha. Solution. So condition that the equation when its roots are given is x square minus sum of roots x plus product of roots is equal to 0. So as we know that the equation, the quadratic equation, when its roots are given is what? X square minus sum of the roots or yes, sum of the roots x plus product of roots is equal to 0. So here alpha is equal to alpha upon beta and beta is equal to beta upon alpha. So it implies that x square minus alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha x plus alpha upon beta into beta upon alpha is equal to 0. So we have to substitute the instead of alpha upon beta, instead of beta upon alpha. It's a given condition. Beta alpha cancel. So result is x square minus alpha beta is the LCM. Alpha into alpha square plus beta into beta square x plus 1 is equal to 0. So LCM is alpha beta. So alpha beta x square minus alpha square plus beta square x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. When alpha beta will be shifted to the 0, next side will be multiplied with respect to 0. The result is also 0. So equation alpha beta x square minus alpha square plus beta square. So this also can be equal to alpha square plus beta square minus alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. When we convert particular square of two values, it will be just like the alpha plus beta whole square minus twice of alpha beta. So this will be a product of roots x square minus sum of roots whole square minus 2 into product of roots x plus alpha into beta means product of roots is equal to 0. So now this will be according to the equation product of roots C upon A. So product of roots is C upon A x square minus B upon A whole square minus 2 into C upon A x plus C upon A is equal to 0. This is the condition. So here A is 2, B is 3, C is 4. After substituting the value C upon A means 4 upon 2 x square minus B means minus 3 upon 2 whole square minus 2 C 4 upon A 2 x plus C upon A 4 upon 2 is equal to 0. So this will be 2x square minus 3 3 is 9 upon 4, 2 2 cancel, minus 4, x plus 2 is equal to 0. 4 is the LCM. 4 to the 8, x square minus 9 minus 16, x plus 8 is equal to 0. So this will be 8x square minus 7x plus 8 is equal to 0 into 4 0. So finally required equation is 8x square plus 7x plus 8 is equal to 0. Question related to the exercise. Question 2 is, if alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, consider that a is not equal to 0. Find the value of number 1, alpha minus beta. Number 1, alpha minus beta. Therefore, alpha minus beta is equal to the value of alpha is minus b plus radical b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus value of beta is equal to minus b minus radical b square means 4ac upon 2a. This is the value of alpha minus beta. So 2a is the LCM. This will be minus b minus plus radical b square minus 4ac minus into minus plus b minus into minus plus radical b square minus 4ac. So here b and minus b are of the opposite sign. So alpha minus beta is equal to 2 radical b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So 2 cancel. The value of alpha minus beta is equal to b square minus 4ac upon a, means the discriminant upon the coefficient of x square. So alpha minus beta, subtraction of roots. Already we have find the sum of roots, then product of roots, now the difference of the roots, alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta is equal to discriminant upon the coefficient of x square. So this is the value of alpha minus beta. Now number 2 is alpha upon beta minus beta upon alpha. We have to find the value of this one. So solution, alpha upon beta minus beta upon alpha is equal to alpha beta is the LCM. Beta, the table of beta over beta, now the alpha into alpha square minus alpha cancel, beta into beta square. So alpha upon beta minus beta upon alpha is equal to alpha square minus beta square upon alpha beta. So also this can be written as alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta upon alpha beta. So here alpha upon beta minus beta upon alpha is equal to alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta upon means division, divided by alpha beta. So here difference of the roots. You can write difference of the roots. Discriminant upon A. Radical B square means 4AC upon A into sum of the roots minus B upon A. You also know, according to the sum of the roots, minus B upon A divided by product of the roots means C upon A. So here it will be minus into plus minus B radical B square means 4AC upon A into A square into A upon C, A square. So value of alpha upon beta minus beta upon alpha is equal to minus B upon A into C, AC radical B square means 4AC. This is the value of alpha upon beta minus beta upon alpha. Number 3 is we have to find out the value of 1 upon alpha square minus 1 upon beta square. Solution. One upon alpha square minus 1 upon beta square is equal to alpha square beta square is the LCM. This will be beta square minus alpha square. So therefore 1 upon alpha square minus 1 upon beta square is equal to minus is common alpha square minus beta square upon alpha square beta square. So this will be according to the difference of 2 square alpha minus beta minus alpha plus beta plus divided by alpha beta whole square. So this will be minus difference of the roots. We also know that discriminant just like B square means 4AC upon A. It is the value of difference of the roots. It means alpha means beta. Minus B upon A, it is the value of sum of the roots, alpha plus beta, divided by alpha into beta, product of roots whole square, means C upon A whole square. So minus into minus plus B into B square means 4AC upon A square into A square upon C square. So when the division, sign of division will be changed, the C and A will be written reciprocally. So A square cancel. So result is B upon C square into B square minus 4AC. This is the result of 1 upon alpha square minus 1 upon beta square. Okay. Now number 4 is alpha 4 minus beta 4. So alpha 4 minus beta 4. Solution. Alpha 4 minus beta 4 is equal to alpha square minus beta square and alpha square plus beta square according to the difference of 2 square. This also will be alpha minus beta and alpha plus beta according to the difference of 2 square, but this will be alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Sum of roots whole square minus 2 alpha beta means alpha square plus beta square. Now after substituting the value, difference of 2 square, difference of 2 roots, B square means 4AC upon A minus B upon A minus B upon A whole square minus 2 into C upon A. So this will be minus B upon A square radical B square means 4AC This will be b square upon a square minus 2c upon a. A square is the LCM. When we write a square as the LCM, minus b upon a square into b square minus 4ac, b square minus 2ac upon a square. A square into a square means a power 4. The result is result of alpha 4 minus beta 4 is equal to minus b into b square minus 2ac upon a power 4. Remaining is b square minus 4ac. This is the result for alpha 4 minus beta 4. Now related MCQ. If one root of the equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, if one root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, may 3 times the other then the condition is a 3a square is equal to 16 bc, b is the option 3c square is equal to 16 ab, c is the option 3b square is equal to 16 ac, d is the option 3b square is equal to 4ac. This is the MCQ number 1. Number 2 is if one root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, may square of the other then the condition is required condition is A is the option, b square plus ca into c plus a is equal to 2abc. B is the option b square plus ca to c plus a is equal to 3abc. C is the option b square plus ca c minus a is equal to 3abc. D is the option b square plus ca into c minus a is equal to 2abc. So these are two MCQs. First of all, if one root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 made 3 times the other, means we have to form an equation whose roots are 3 times to each other. Means if one root is 1, then other will be 3. So the comparison of 1 and 3, 3 is 1, 3 times the 1. So the equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x, yani 1 plus 3, 4x plus alpha into beta, 1 into 3, 3 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 3. So if 3a square means 3 into 3 square, 3 square 9, 9 3 the 27, 27 is equal to 16 into minus 4 into 27 cannot be equal to 64. This option is wrong. Okay. 3b square, sorry 3c square means 3 into 3 square, 3 square 9, 9 3 the 64, 64 16 into a means 1, 16, b 64 cannot be equal to minus 64. This is also wrong. 3b square means 3 into minus 4 square, minus 4 square 16, 16 3 the 48 is equal to 16 into 1 into 4, 48 is equal to 48. So this condition is correct. Similarly, 3b square minus 4 square, 4 4 the 16, 3 16 the 64 is equal to 4ac, 4 into 1 into 3, 4 3 the 12, 64 cannot be equal to 12. This option is also wrong. So 3b square is equal to 16ac is the correct answer. जॾहिं असां b स्क्वायर में वैल्यू विझूंसि था -4 छो त 1 एंड 3 तव्हांखे इक्वेशन अहिड़ी ठाहिणी आहे जंहिंजो रूट्स 3 टाइम्स द अदर हुजनि. हाँ 3 टाइम्स ईंदो उहे रूट सिलेक्ट कंदो. जब आप रूट सेलेक्ट करेंगे सपोज 1 एंड 3, 3 और 1 में जो रिलेशन है वो 3 टाइम्स द अदर है, 3 इज द 3 टाइम्स ऑफ 1. सो इक्वेशन बनाएंगे एक्स स्क्वायर minus sum of the roots means 1 and 3 4x plus product of the roots 1 into 3 3 is equal. इसमें a का वैल्यू 1 है, b का वैल्यू -4 है, c का वैल्यू 3 है. सो कंडीशन यही है. तो 3b स्क्वायर, b स्क्वायर मीन्स -4 स्क्वायर, 4 स्क्वायर 16, 16 3 द 48 is equal to 16 into a means 116 16 into c 316 द 48. दोनों साइड अगर बराबर हैं तो ये कंडीशन रिक्वायर्ड है. दिस इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज इफ वन रूट ऑफ द इक्वेशन ax स्क्वायर bx प्लस c इज इक्वल 0 बे स्क्वायर ऑफ द अदर मीन्स इफ वी सिलेक्ट x इज इक्वल टू 1, दिस इज अ वन रूट. सेकंड रूट द स्क्वायर ऑफ 1 इज आल्सो 1, दूसरी रूट भी 1 ही होगी. सो स्क्वायर ऑफ 1 इज आल्सो 1. So equation is equal to x square minus sum of the roots x, 1 plus 1x means 2x plus product of roots 1 into 1, 1 is equal to 0. तो इसमें a का वैल्यू 1, b का वैल्यू -2, c का वैल्यू 1. सो इस a b c में वैल्यू रखेंगे, जो भी दोनों साइड बराबर होंगी वो कंडीशन रिक्वायर्ड होगी. a इज इक्वल टू 1 है सो 1, b इज इक्वल टू -2, 2 स्क्वायर 4, c का वैल्यू भी 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 into 2, sorry 1 into 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, 2 1 the 1 into 1 1, 1 to the 2, b square 2 square 4, 4 plus 2 6. So 6 2 a means 1 2, b -4, c 1. 6 cannot be equal to -4, so this condition will be wrong. b cube c plus a is equal to 3abc. b cube means -2 cube, -2 cube means -8. ca 1 into 1 1, c plus a 1 plus 1 2, 2 1 the 2. b cube means -8 plus 2 -6. -6 is equal to -6. a 3a into 1 3, b -2 into 3 -6, -6 into 1 minus. So this is the correct option. b square or b square, when we substitute the value of abc here, they will be not equal to each other. So this is the correct option. MCQ number 3 is the condition that 1 root of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 may be additive inverse of the other. अगर हम कंपेयर करें कि दोनों रूट्स एक दूसरे के मनफी हैं, एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ द अदर हैं, तो कह रहा है कंडीशन क्या होगी? तो b 0 होगा, c और a के अपोजिट साइन होंगे, c 0 होगा, a और b के अपोजिट साइन होंगे, a 0 होगा, b और c की अपोजिट साइन होगी, या नन ऑफ दिस. सो असाइनमेंट क्या है कि वी शुड मेंटेन द इक्वेशन, फॉर्म द इक्वेशन whose roots are additive inverse to each other. Means we can say that एक अल्फ़ा है तो दूसरी होगी माइनस अल्फ़ा, यानी बीटा जो होगी वो माइनस अल्फ़ा होगी, क्योंकि अल्फ़ा एंड माइनस अल्फ़ा आर एडिटिव इनवर्स टू ईच अदर. सो दिस विल बी एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फ़ा प्लस बीटा एक्स प्लस अल्फ़ा इंटू बीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. So alpha, this will be 0. X square minus sum of the roots means alpha minus alpha x plus alpha into minus alpha is equal to 0. So x square ये 0x plus or minus 0x minus alpha square is equal to 0. So you can say that b is equal to 0, 1 and this opposite sign to each other. So b is equal to 0, c and a have opposite signs. So a option is correct. Next is the condition that 1 root of x may be multiplicative inverse of the other. Means एक रूट अल्फ़ा है, दूसरी है 1 अपॉन अल्फ़ा. तो रूट्स आर मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. मीन्स अगर आप यूँ रखें कि x इज इक्वल टू 2 तो दूसरी आप रखें 1 अपॉन 2. दीज रूट्स आर मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स टू ईच अदर. सो दिस विल बी एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस सम ऑफ द रूट्स x 2 plus 1 upon 2x plus product of roots 2 into 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. 2 1 upon 2 0 cancel. 2 is the LCM. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So a is equal to c. 2 is equal to 2. A is equal to c. A is equal to b. Not correct. B is equal to C. Not correct. A is equal to C. A and C are correct. Yes.